Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. We are picking few cards. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Virgos, please like and comment. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy, so you can stay tuned for that reading, Virgos. And Virgos, I request you to watch this reading till the end, because at some point of this reading you will get the clarity you are expecting to see today. So let's start with these cards here. It's Four of Air, Sun and Hermit. So today in your circumstances, Virgos, you are thinking about something. Maybe you need to make a decision. It may be an important decision in your work, or it may be something to do with your relationship. So you want to make the right choice today, so you are in deep thought. What should be done and what is your plan? And you have a lot of experience, Virgos, in your life. You have seen so much, a lot of pain, sadness. So your past is still there on your mind, and today you are healing yourself. You no longer feel that sadness, stress, and you have clarity and you know what will work, what is the reason. And maybe for some of you Virgos, you are taking time today, taking time off from work, taking a holiday, maybe planning a holiday, or taking a break from this relationship. If you are having this person, maybe you are having alone time, not a break from this person, but having some time for yourself. So you are trying to see things more clearly. What happened, what was the reason for certain situations in your past, and what you need to do today. So your past relationship has taught you some valuable lessons, and you're healing yourself, trying to be different today, trying to be different for this love, for this person you love. So you are changing, you are a changed person. Emotionally and spiritually, you are being better, getting better day by day. So in this relationship, whatever needs to be done, you will know it, guys. This card here, the Sun card here, it's a very positive card. So whatever your plans are for this relationship, you have some plans. Maybe you are thinking about this person you love. You are thinking about the future and you don't want to repeat the past mistakes. That is the reason you are thinking. So it may be your energy or your person's energy towards you. So they want a very meaningful connection with you. That is the reason they are taking time to plan the future, Virgos. So we will see what is its Tower. So some changes are here. You are a different person today. It may be your energy or their energy. So the circumstances they see in their life or they have seen is making them change, is giving them better clarity. This card does not mean something bad, but it means something good coming in. So whatever is not working for you, maybe the toxic feelings you have, all that is leaving you today, Virgo. So that is what I meant by you are a changed person today. And this is the time for a very powerful transformation, something that is going to open your eyes. So It may be your energy or your person's energy. So they are different or you are different. And you are going to see that your circumstances are also going to change for you in a very positive way, Virgos. So we will see what is the card for your career situation. Page of Earth. So you are a very committed person, committed to your dreams and goals, and you are devoted to your dreams. So you're working hard, trying to change things the right way. And your efforts and your work will never be wasted, Virgos. You must understand that. And it is going to take you towards prosperity, success, abundance in your life. So that is the energy with these cards for you all. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will see what it is. A leg up. So with this card in your circumstances, maybe this may be the time for you to request help. Maybe if you are in a relationship. Any relationship thrives on interdependence. So it is important to recognize your role as well as the role of the other person. So you must let them support you. It may not be a financial support but emotional support. So if you are feeling really vulnerable, it may be time for you to speak up your needs and ask this person, because they will not know what you need, but you will be met with kindness and love. And you cannot expect them to read your mind, giving you help voluntarily, but when you ask them, it will be given, guys. So any relationship works well as a team. So this may be the time for teamwork, and that teamwork is going to attract wonderful miracles today in your life. So the same way in your work circumstances, this is the time for you to seek advice from your business partner or your advisor or mentor. You can get their help, and this is the time for you to get good counsel. And if you do that, and if you delegate authority to others, so you can take your steps towards big dreams. You will taste success very soon in your life. And this is the time for that, guys, for those who chose this card. So you must accept other people's guidance and help in your life today. That is going to change the whole scenario for you all. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So we will see what is the second card for those who chose this card. Communication is the key. New moon in Gemini. So this card just means that this may be the time for you to have a good talk, telling this person what you truly feel. So talking things through is the answer, and you will know whatever you wish to know today. If you cannot talk to that person, you must journal, maybe write to them, or email or a message. That is going to help you. And if it is something that concerns your family or a neighbor, this may be the time for you to wipe the slate clean, maybe forget the past and start over again. And you must be grounded and you must try to talk to others, maybe certain people. You need to communicate to them and you need to prioritize whoever you want or whoever is important for you, and you must tell them what you truly feel. That is going to help you. And this may be the time for you to meditate, guys. So meditation or some kind of spiritual practice is going to relieve you of all the stress, and it is going to help you in a very beautiful way. So that is the energy with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye guys.